Nowadays, security is everything. Kailangan siguraduhin natin na safe tayo sa ating mga credit cards, especially in our spending. Well, this credit card uses EMV chip technology that will help you and protect you from fraud and skimming. Kaya, safe ka sa credit card na to. Ito din ay may contactless payment, tap-to-pay technology. Yan na ngayon ang usong-uso, yung tap-to-pay. And so amazing that this kind of credit card has it. Kaya, naging madali na lang yung pagbabayad natin sa stores and maybe even in restaurants. Plus, eto yung credit card ng ibig sabihin ay it works worldwide. Great for online shopping, even in foreign websites. You can bring it if you travel abroad. Imagine buying online like groceries, medicines, or even just a milk tea. This card keeps every transaction safe and easy. You get real peace of mind while spending safely. Feature number 3, flexible payment options. Well, a part of life is yung may biglaang gastos, hindi mo inaakala, may emergency, it happens. Not all the time, but it happens. O kaya, yung cases or instances na kailangan mong mag-purchase ng gadget para sa pag-aaral ng mga anak or para magamit mo sa trabaho mo, well, PS Bank gives you the flexibility sa pamamagitan ng zero installment promos in partner stores, ability to convert big purchases into monthly installments. Meaning, instead of paying 20,000 cold cash para ma-purchase mo or mabili mo yung gadget na yan, you can divide it into smaller, budget-friendly installments. It helps beginners build financial discipline. Napaka-importante yung financial discipline. You still get what you need, but without destroying your monthly budget. That's the main point. At gusto nating lahat yan.